Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Lucky statement in Roy Ravinaik Atala expose reveals how police in Anjuna funded by Atala were operating as his agents. Lucky's most startling facts in Prudent's expose part 2. Mega protest outburst goes violent at Rashtrpati Bhavan demanding justice for gang rape victim. Capital punishment for rapists. Goa 2 joins protest through candlelight vigil. Rajnath Singh demands special session. Goa CM discusses Tilari issue with Maharashtra CM Prithviraj Chauhan. Parrikar says waiting Chauhan's response on Tilari, will decide plan action accordingly. Master blaster Sachin Tendulkar announces retirement from one-day format of cricket. Decision comes just few hours before selection of India versus Pakistan series. And AIFF Vice President Srinivas Dempo prioritizes infrastructure development for West Zone. Dempo Sports Club Shah Rukh Khan deal still on hold. And now the news in detail. The statement by Lucky Farmhouse in Atala case has revealed some most startling facts about the police posted in Anjuna Belt and having links with the alleged drug peddler Atala. Atala used to sponsor dinners and lunch to police staff posted near his cafe. Lucky says Atala was the only one in Anjuna who could dare to play loud music beyond permissible limit, courtesy Goa Police. Prudent had exposed Roy Ravinaik's direct nexus with Atala on the basis of Lucky Farmhouse's statement to Interpol on Saturday.
Lucky Farmhouse had already confirmed that Atala's boss was the son of former Home Minister Ravi Naik's son, Roy Naik. Same statement recorded in 2012 by the Interpol exposes how police had a close nexus with Atala and sold their respect and dignity to drug peddler for money and foodstuff. Lucky's statement reveals that Atala did not like Indians, but he called the policemen dear brothers. He could sell drugs openly. He could play loud music beyond 10 p.m. courtesy police. Atala felt proud over his control over police posted in Anjuna. Particularly, this statement has brought disgrace to the police profession. Lucky reveals that Anjuna police many a time had food and drinks in restaurant. The bills were paid by Atala. Police officers from 3 different departments used to visit Atala's home at any time. They used to come in civilian dress. Business deals mostly were done in kitchen or rooms of Atala's house. This is how Chief Minister reacted to Prudent's expose on Atala Roy Ravi Naik links.
Drug nexus case, son of Ravi Naik is been named about 2 years back.
It's with CBI, no?
Your responsibility, because
my response is the matter will go to CBI.
Okay.
The investigating officers are investigating it. It is before them. So where is the role of a government or chief?
Our correspondent from Ponda tried to contact the former Home Minister Ravi Naik for his comments, but his phone was switched off. Bureau Report, Prudent.
India is rising against a brutal rape and assault on a 23-year-old medical student in Delhi. Thousands of youth are fighting hard for justice to victim near Rashtrpati Bhavan. Police lathi charge and lob tear gas shells on protesters, but the agitation is ongoing undeterred. Meanwhile, Goans too held candlelight rallies and sabhas at various places backing the agitation in national capital. BJP's former national president Rajnath Singh told Prudent that they seek a special session of parliament and severe punishment to culprits in this case.
Students' movement in Delhi demanding capital punishment for 6 people who brutally raped and assaulted a young medical student in a running bus has reached its peak now. Agitated youth are going berserk as administration has resorted to lathi charge and use of water jets to disperse the movement. Students are also crying foul as they claim that their movement is being politically hijacked. Students claim that some hooligans in the garb of activists are creating purposeful law and order situation. Heavy police force has been deployed in central Delhi. Road to Rashtrpati Bhavan was blocked. It was a police versus protesters situation. Many social activists and political outfits too have joined the protest. Meanwhile, Goans too have joined the protest by organizing march and candlelight rallies.
एक बायल मनीस कशी चितून त्या दिल्ली शहरान जे घडला सारके आंग सुद्धा सारके कडकडटा आनी कावजा खूब दूख भोगली आयकोन म्हाका एक चेडूं हा हांव चिंता म्हाजे चेडूं हुंय हा थिंगासर आमकां घडलें म्हणटूच आमकां गमता कितें जालां घडटा कशें तें आनी कितें दूख जाता पळय ती दुसऱ्यांक जें घडटा तें आमकां गमना तो घाव.
BJP's former national president Rajnath Singh, while speaking to Prudent at Ramnathi, said that a special session of parliament should be called on this issue.
बीजेपी का कहना है कि कठोर कानून बनाया जाना चाहिए. इसके लिए पार्लियामेंट के स्पेशल सेशन बुलाने की ज़रूरत हो तो स्पेशल सेशन भी पार्लियामेंट का बुलाया जाना चाहिए. और इस प्रकार की हरकत करने वाले जो रेपिस्ट हैं इनको दंड देने के लिए
फांसी के प्रावधान का भी बीजेपी समर्थन करती है.
अब जो कुछ भी पार्लियामेंट विचार करेगी लेकिन हार्श एक्शन होना चाहिए.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Maharashtra CM Prithviraj Chauhan is assured to look into the Tilari issue for an amicable solution. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed Prudent that he has discussed the issue with Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Parrikar further made it clear that he would await Maharashtra's reply and decide his action in a couple of days. Meanwhile, Goa's former Deputy Chief Minister Ramakant Khalaf will meet Maharashtra CM in Sawantwadi on Monday over Tilari issue.
I have already spoken to my Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He has assured me that he is looking into it, so I have to wait for a couple of days. And to speak to Chief Ministers, you can't expect them to deliver in 5 minutes.
A study was saying that NCP and Congress issue is there. That's why.
See, now I have taken it to the Chief Minister of the state. I think with due respect to him, I have to wait till he responds back.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.